Hello students, in this video we are going to study some extra exercise for chapter number 5. The chapter name is Acids, Bases and Salts. Class 7, Subject Science, NCERT. So before starting that, let me recall what we had seen in the chapter. So in the starting we had seen some examples of acids and bases. So curd, lemon juice, orange juice, turmeric, vinegar, etc. are sour substance and they are natural acids. Then we had seen that baking soda, washing soda, soap, lime, sodium hydroxide are basic substance and they feel soapy to touch. Then after we had seen some indicators. So turmeric, litmus, petals of China rose or hibiscus, etc. are natural indicators. And then we had also seen one chemical indicator, that is phenolphthalein. Other than that, methyl orange is also an indicator like phenolphthalein. Then after we had seen some properties of acids and bases. So acids are sour to taste and they change blue litmus paper into red. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid are strong acids and these acids are used in the laboratories. Then after we had seen that bases are bitter to taste and feel soapy in touch and they change red litmus paper into blue color. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are strong bases and these bases are used in the laboratories. Then after we had seen neutralization reaction. So acid and base react to produce salt and water. So this chemical reaction is called neutralization, in which acid and base react with each other or nullify the effect of each other, and at the end of the reaction they will produce salt and water. And this neutralization reaction is used for the treatment of acidity, ant bite, acidic or basic soil treatment and factory acidic waste treatment. So these are the uses of this neutralization reaction. So these are the different things we had seen in this chapter. And then after we had seen the textbook solution for this chapter, which you have to write in your notebook. So now let me start some extra exercise for this chapter. In that first question is choose the correct option. In that first one, which type of substance is lemon juice? Lemon juice is the example of blank. The options are acidic, basic, neutral and salt. So here in the example of acidic substance, we had seen that lemon juice is the example of acid. So here your answer is option A, acidic. Next, second number, which of the following solutions is the acidic solution? The options are solution of washing soda, solution of baking soda, solution of turmeric and solution of sugar. So in the example of basic substance, we had seen that washing soda and baking soda are the examples of bases and sugar is the neutral solution. Solution of sugar is neutral. So here your answer is solution of turmeric is the acidic solution or acidic in nature. Next, third number, which of the following solutions is the basic solution? The options are soap solution, turmeric solution, common salt solution and glucose solution. So here your answer is option A, that is soap solution. The other options are the examples of acidic solution or neutral solution. The fourth number is which of the following solutions is the neutral solution? The options are solution of lime, solution of baking soda, solution of vinegar or solution of sugar. So as previously we had discussed, the solution of sugar is neutral in nature, so it is the neutral solution. So here your answer is option D, solution of sugar. Next, fifth number, which of the following substance is a salt? The options are vinegar, sodium hydroxide, common salt or lime. So here your answer is common salt, option C. Common salt is the kind of salt. The others are acidic or basic in nature. Vinegar is, as we had seen, it is acidic in nature, and the rest of the two, that is sodium hydroxide and lime, are the examples of bases. Next is, which of the following is not an acidic substance? The options are vinegar, orange juice, gooseberry, that means amla, or baking soda. So here your answer is option D, baking soda. Baking soda is not acidic substance, it is a basic substance. The other of the three examples, that is vinegar, orange juice or amla, are the examples of acidic substance. Next, seventh number, which of the following is not a basic substance? The options are soap, lime, washing soda or vinegar. So here your answer is option D, vinegar. Vinegar is acidic substance. The rest of the three, that is soap, lime and washing soda, are the examples of basic substance. So here your answer is option D, vinegar. Next, 8th number, which type of substance is glucose? The options are base, salt, acid or neutral. So glucose is the neutral in nature. So here your answer is option D, neutral. Next MCQ, number 9. What is the function of phenolphthalein used in neutralization reaction? So the options are as an acid, as a base, as a salt or as an indicator. What is the function this phenolphthalein perform in the neutralization reaction? So in this reaction it is work as an indicator. So here your answer is option D, as an indicator. Next, 10th number, which litmus paper changes the color in an acid? So the options are blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, both the litmus paper or none of the given. So as we had seen, acid turns blue litmus paper into red. That means it changes the color of blue litmus paper. So here your answer is option A, blue litmus paper. Next, 11th number, what is the chemical name of baking soda? The options are sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium chloride or sodium hydroxide. So here your answer is sodium hydrogen carbonate is the chemical name for the baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next, 12th number, which of the following is an antacid substance? Which is an antacid substance or nullify the effect of acid? So the options are lemon juice, common salt, milk of magnesia and curd. So here your answer is option C, milk of magnesia is the antacid substance, and its uses also we had seen in the chapter. Next is 13th number, which color does China rose indicator give with base? The options are red, yellow, magenta or green. Magenta, that means purple color. So here your answer is option D, green. China rose gives green color with basic solutions. Next, 14th number, which of the following indicators gives pink color with base? The options are turmeric, litmus solution, phenolphthalein and all of the given. So here your answer is option C, phenolphthalein. phenolphthalein gives pink color with basic solution. Next, 15th number, which acid in our stomach help us to digest the food? The options are citric acid, hydrochloric acid, formic acid or acetic acid. So here your answer is option B, hydrochloric acid helps in our stomach to digest the food. So here our first question, that is choose the correct answer, gets over. Now next question is question number 2, fill in the blanks. So here it is the question number 2, fill in the blanks. In that first blank, the substance that turns most red litmus paper into blue is blank by nature. So it is the basic by nature, the substance which turns red litmus paper into blue. So that is known as the basic substance. Next is sour substance are mostly blank substances. So here your answer is acidic. The substance which tastes sour are acidic in nature. So here your answer is acidic. Next, third number, lactic acid is present in curd. So here your answer is lactic. Which acid is present in curd, or blank acid is present in curd? So your answer will be lactic. Lactic acid is present in the curd. Next, fourth number, phenolphthalein gives blank color with basic solution. So as in the MCQs we had seen that phenolphthalein gives pink color with the basic solution. Next, fifth number blank is the reaction between acid and base is called blank. So this reaction is called neutralization. The reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction. neutralisation, neutralization. Next, sixth number, blank and blank are produced at the end of chemical reaction between acid and base. So at the end of the neutralization reaction or chemical reaction between the acid and base, salt and water are produced. So here your answer is salt and water. Next, seventh number, blank acid is present in spinach. So in spinach, oxalic acid is present. So here your answer is oxalic. OXALIC, oxalic acid. Next is blank is used as an antacid. So in the MCQ also we had seen milk of magnesia is used as the antacid. So here your answer is milk of magnesia. Next is calamine solution contains blank as one of the chemicals. Which substance calamine solution contains? So calamine solution contains the zinc carbonate as the one of the chemical. It contains zinc carbonate which is basic in nature. Next is farmers add blank to neutralize the acidic soil. So here your answer is quicklime. Farmers add quicklime to neutralize the effect of acids or acidic soil. So they are adding quicklime which is basic in nature. So to neutralize or nullify the effect of acids, they are adding basic substance. Next, 11th number, the chemical name of slaked lime is blank. So the chemical name of slaked lime is the calcium hydroxide. In the chapter we had also seen its name is calcium hydroxide. Next, 12th number, China rose indicator gives blank color with acidic solution. So here your answer is magenta. China rose indicator gives magenta color with acidic solution. So here our blanks, fill in the blanks gets over. Now next question number 3 is give only answer for the following questions. So here next question number 3 is given to you. Give only answer for the following. In that first one, what is the substance that turns most blue litmus paper into red coal. So that substance is called acidic. So here your answer is acidic. Acidic substance turns blue litmus paper into red. Next is, which substance do not affect the litmus papers? So here your answer is neutral, neutral. If this substance is neutral, it will not affect any of the litmus paper, either blue or red litmus paper. Next, question number 3. Which type of substance is curd? Acidic, basic or salt? What is the nature of curd? Whether it is acidic, basic or salt. So here your answer is acidic. The curd is the acidic substance, and earlier, as in the fill in the blanks, we had seen that lactic acid is present in the curd. So here your answer is acidic. Next is 4th number. Which type of substance is caustic soda? Acidic, basic or salt? So here your answer is option basic. Caustic soda is basic in nature, or it is the basic substance. So here your answer is basic. Next, 5th number. Which acid is present in vinegar? So acetic acid is present in the vinegar. So here your answer is acetic acid. Next, 6th number. Which acid is present in lemon juice? So here your answer is citric acid. Citric acid is present in the citric fruits, or lemon is one kind of citric fruit. So the answer is citric acid. Next, 7th number. Which acid is present in turmeric? So in turmeric, tartaric acid is present. So here your answer is tartaric acid. Tartaric, tartaric acid. Next, 8th number. What would be the color of sodium hydroxide solution on adding 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein? So here your answer is pink. If we add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein, which is an indicator, into the solution of sodium hydroxide, then the solution will turn into pink color. As we had seen that phenolphthalein is the indicator, chemical indicator, which turns basic solution into pink color. So here sodium hydroxide solution is basic in nature, so it will turn into pink color. Next, 9th number. Which color does turmeric paper give with soap solution? So here your answer is red. Soap solution is basic in nature, and turmeric paper as an indicator turns basic solution into red color. So here your answer is red. Next, 10th number. Which chemical is injected by an ant into the skin when it bites? So your answer is formic acid. Formic, formic acid. When an ant bites, so it injects formic acid into our skin, which result in irritation of the skin. So your answer is formic acid. So here now our question 3 gets over, that is, give only answer for the following questions. Next question is question number 4. Give 2 examples for each. Or this can be asked for the name the following. For the following you have to give 2 examples. So in that first one is acids available in nature, or natural acids, examples of natural acids. So here I wrote lemon juice and turmeric solution. These are natural acids or available in the nature, and which are acidic substance. Next is acids used in the laboratories. So here your answer is hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. You can also write nitric acid. So these are the strong acids which are used in the laboratories. Next, 3rd number is indicators available from natural substance. So here your answer is turmeric and China rose. You can also write litmus. So these are the indicators which we can obtain from the natural substance also. Next, fourth number, chemical indicators. The example, two examples of chemical indicators. So here the answer is phenolphthalein, and as I previously told you, the methyl orange is also a chemical indicator. So these are the two chemical indicators, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. METHYL, methyl orange. Next, fifth number, bases used in the laboratories. So your answer is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxides. These are the two bases which we are using in the laboratories, or it can be also represent sodium hydroxide as NaOH and potassium hydroxide as KOH. Next, sixth number, basic substance used in daily life. Basic substance which we are using daily in our life. So here your answer is slack lime and washing soda. These are the two substances which we are using in our daily life, which are basic in nature. Next, seventh number, substance neutral towards litmus paper. That means neutral substance. So here your answer is common salt and sugar. These are the substances which are neutral in nature and which will not show any effect on any of the litmus paper. So your answer is common salt and sugar. Next, 8 number, salts used in cooking. The different salts which we are using in cooking. So here your answer is common salt and baking soda. So these are the two salts which we are using in our daily life in cooking. So here our question number 4, that is give two examples for the following, it gets over. Next question is question number 5, write true or false. In that first one is gooseberry or amla and citrus fruits contain vitamin C. So your answer is true. Amla and citrus fruits that contains vitamin C. Next is vitamin C is chemically ascorbic acid. So again your answer is true. The chemical name for the vitamin C is ascorbic acid, or in that substance the ascorbic acids are present in the fruits which contains vitamin C. Next is phenolphthalein is a substance used as a natural indicator. So here your answer is false. It is not a natural indicator, but it is the chemical indicator. Next is fourth number, litmus is excreted from the lichens. So here your answer is true. Litmus is extracted, or we are getting this litmus from the lichens. Next, fifth number, slack lime solution is neutral towards litmus paper. So here your answer is false. As we had seen, slack lime is the example of basic substance. It will not show any effect, or it will not neutral towards any litmus paper. It will show effect on the litmus paper. Next is milk of magnesia is an acid. So again your answer is false. Milk of magnesia is not the acidic substance, but it is the basic substance. Next, seventh number, washing soda is a type of salt. So here your answer is true. It is a kind of salt. Next, 8th number, all these salts are neutral towards litmus papers. So here your answer is false. As in the previous 7th number we had seen that washing soda is a type of salt, but it is basic in nature and it shows effect on the litmus paper, so it is not neutral towards the litmus papers. So here your answer is false. Next, 9th number, China rose indicator gives pink color with base. So here your answer is false. The next, after 10th number, the gastric juice in our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. So here your answer is true. Next, 11th number, antacid is taken to relieve acidity in the stomach caused due to much of acid. So here your answer is true due to or the acidity which is caused because of the too much acid in the stomach. So to get relief from that acidity, we are taking antacid substance. So here your answer is true. 12th number, the ant bites contain oxalic acid. So here your answer is false. It contains formic acid. 13th number, quicklime is added to the acidic soil to neutralize it. So here your answer is true, as the quicklime is the basic in nature. So to neutralize the acidic soil, we are adding quicklime in the soil. Next, 14th number, washing soda and baking soda are salts, yet they possess basic properties. So here your answer is true. In the previous true false also we had seen that washing soda and baking soda are the salts, but they are basic in nature or contains basic properties. Last one, 15th number, sugar and glucose are neutral towards litmus paper, yet they are not salts. So here again your answer is true, they are not salt, but it shows neutral effect towards the litmus paper. So here your true false, that is question number 5, gets over. So this 5 question, that is question 1, choose the correct option. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 3, give only one word answer. Question number 4, give 2 examples of each. And question number 5, true or false. So these 5 questions you have to write in your notebook. This is your homework. In the next video, we will see the remaining exercise. Thank you.